Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At itinan natin what's coming to you in the next 24 hours from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see, next 24 hours. Ano yung energies for Capricorn next 24 hours? Okay, there's some focus on yourself in the next 24 hours. Maaring related to sa pag-aalaga mo sa sarili mo. You should be taking care of yourself, your health. If may mga biyahe, especially international travels, be extra careful, no? Kapag merong delays, no, sa flight, wag mo nang stress yung sarili mo. Just let it be. Kasi that is a form of protection para sa'yo. Yeah, I think there are also opportunities for you sa abroad if you want to explore that, no? Nasa sayo 'yon. Kung mag-a-apply ka, kung interesado ka, if you are already in the process of application, then maaring mapabilis, mas speed up yung opportunity na 'yan. Some of you sa relationship, maaring meron kang decision or action na gagawin na mamadaliin mo. Oo. So, yung iba puwedeng mamadaliin niyo pumasok sa isang relationship, or yung puwede kasi 'tong yung iba sa inyo merong biglaang mai-in-love or maa-attract sa isang tao, 'no? Or yung person that you are dealing with, biglang maa-attract sa'yo like parang, masasabi niya na love at first sight, gano'n. Some of you naman maaring papasok sa isang business partnership. Can be someone na kaibigan or kapamilya. But be careful, no? Kasi syempre, mahirap rin magkaroon ng business association sa isang kaibigan or kapamilya. Lalo na kung hindi nyo talaga, hindi nyo poproteksyonan yung sarili nyo. Kasi minsan kasi nagiging lenient, no? Nagiging maluwag yung boundaries. Pagdating sa business, mahirap kasi kapag walang boundaries, walang limitations. So, make sure na you are setting boundaries when it comes to business partnership. Some of you, may learning opportunities dito, but yung iba, alam mo yung tipong meron kang gustong pag-aralan pero laging nade-delay or laging parang may mga distractions. So, you might want to plan or kumbaga i-manage mo yung time mo kasi may mga pagkakataon na okay, wala kang ginagawa at a certain period of time. Pero may opportunity ka sana na i-accomplish mo na yung dapat mong tapusin pero pinagpaliban mo hanggang sa nag-pile up. So, may mga importante ka rin sanang gawin na hindi mo na magagawa kasi kailangan mong habulin yung mga hindi mo nagawa ng mga nakaraan. Oo. So, there's also a major focus on your family, home life, sa bahay ninyo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you are looking for a new house or may pinapaayos kayo sa bahay ninyo. But I also see here na you are attracting abundance right now. You are attracting prosperity. And if there is a need, no, kung may needs ka financially, don't worry, wag mong i-overthink kasi mas kumbaga maging bukas ka lang na yes, dadaloy sa'yo yung prosperity, yung abundance, or yung resources na kailangan mo. Let's see your overall energy. The Two of Pentacles, very busy. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong multiple sources of income, hindi lang trabaho, hindi lang negosyo, pinagsasabay-sabay niyo 'yan or multiple businesses. So, very busy rin kayo. Kaya kailangan ma-manage niyo yung oras at panahon niyo dun sa mga importanteng bagay para lahat ma-accomplish ninyo. Okay lang naman magpahinga kapag kailangan, kaya lang may mga times na nausosobrahan, 'di ba? Na pay attention sa mga goals mo, doon sa mga task na kailangan mong matapos. Your challenge is the Queen of Cups. Some of you maaring nahihirapan kayong mag-deal sa emotions ninyo lately. Or you might feel emotional dahil na-overwhelm kayo sa maraming bagay na kailangan nyong gawin, asikasuhin, or i-provide, no? So, like what I mentioned kanina, you just have to find time para mag-release, like ang tawag nun? Mag-drain ng nega energies around you. Oo, kasi minsan na-overwhelm ka sa dami ng task responsibilities na meron ka. Mga taong nakaasa sa'yo, especially if you're a breadwinner or yun nga, ikaw inaasahan sa family. Your opportunity. Wow, ang dami mong opportunity. This is about success. This is about achievements. So, meron kang opportunity na ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. If you are planning to work abroad, meron talaga, may opportunity talaga sa inyo sa abroad. So, kung kayo nagdadalawang isip na baka wala, wag yung isipin kasi meron, no? Just continue to explore, find those opportunities kasi magbubukas yan para sa'yo. Some of you naman, there is an ending. Itong ending na to is a positive ending. Kasi ibig sabihin, na-accomplish mo na, natapos mo na. It's like a project. Natapos mo na yung project na kailangan mong tapusin. Eh, ano na ba ang mangyayari pag natapos mo yon, 'di ba? So, it's accomplishment. And of course, kung may bayad kang hinihingi dyan or hinihintay dyan, you will get paid, 'di ba? So, at least natapos na yung mga bagay, ibang bagay na ini-stress mo. So, your blessing is the Seven of Cups. So, as a blessing, magkakaroon ng clarity sa mga bagay na nalalabuan ka or nalilito ka. Lalo na kung meron kang kailangang pagdesisyonan. This can be sa trabaho, sa business mo, sa career, relationship. But for some of you, this can be relationship, no? Na kailangan mo pagdesisyonan. Or may kailangan kang piliin. Priorities. And then, for your money, career, finances, have faith. Like what I mentioned kanina, hindi mo kailangang problemahin or stress yung sarili mo sa needs because it will be provided sa'yo. Lalo na kung meron kang mga outlets or may pagdadaanan yung blessing. Like, for example, may trabaho ka, may business ka, may sources of income ka, yung family member mo is also providing for you. So, clarity. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. When it comes to relationship, ayan, pwedeng ito yung isa sa blessing mo na magiging malinaw sa'yo what you really want sa isang relationship, sa isang connection, or kung ano yung dapat mong gawin sa current relationship mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.